Follow us. Yay! Now we have a ticket for enter the zoo. The price of this ticket is 30,000 rupiah.
And this ticket any saldo 20,000 rupiah. Okay.
And this ticket is enough for 5 people get in the Ragunan Zoo.
Hello!
And
Now we
Are
in
Ragunan! Tiap, which animal do you want to see?
I wanna see crocodile. How about you?
I want to see deer.
How about you?
I wanna see orangutan.
And you? I wanna see elephant. And bless you.
I want to see hornbill or honey deer.
Okay. Let's go.
This buruk is fighting.
No, Indira, they are just play together.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, look at that.
And now I will explain about orangutan. Orangutan, another name is introspection. It's a kind of great ape with long arms and hairy ridges or brown, which live in the tropical forests of Indonesia and Malaysia, particularly on the island of Borneo and Sumatra. The term orangutan is taken from word the Malay language. The people means people and utan means forest. Orangutan includes two subspecies, the orangutan Sumatra or Pongo ageli and the orangutan of Kalimantan or Borneo, Pongo P. masus. What is unique is the orangutan has a close kinship of plumage as level kingdom Animalia, where orangutan have DNA similarity rate of 96%. Orangutan includes vegetable animals, which means that they have a spine. Cetacean needed. Orangutan also includes mammal and primates. Orangutan are found in the tropical rainforest and Southeast Asia, which is on the region of Indonesia and Malaysia. Cetacean needed. They used to live in dense trees and made a nest of leaves. Orangutans can live in various types of forests, ranging from carrion forest, hill and plain, watershed, freshwater swamp forest, peat bogs, dry soil above the mangrove, swamps and palms, to the mountain forest. Also, orangutans, including omnivorous animals, most of them only eat plants. Of 90% of food in the form of fruit. The Sumatran orangutan has been included the classification as stratigraphically endangered by IUCN. Its population plummeted where in 1994 the number reached more than 1,200, but in 2003 to approximately 7,000 individuals. The data in 2008 report that the estimated number of Sumatra orangutans in the wild only about 600 birds. I can see. I don't see. I can.
Where is the orangutan, Sinta?
Oh no! Now the orangutan is on the top now, and we can see this.
Oh, there is orangutan.
Yes, that's on the top, and there is a playground of the orangutan for playing every day.
There is just one, Sinta.
Yes, there is just one.
Okay.
What is it? Eriska, come on.
Okay,
Come on,
so
dear.
we go to next animal. Come on.
Come on.
Now, I want to looking for sunbear or honeybee.
Let's go.
I will explain about sunbear or honeybee. What is the reason I choose honeybee? Because I love Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh is very funny, and I like the story of Winnie the Pooh. Sunbears, including the family Ursidae and the kind of the smallest of the 8 bear species in the world. The bear is typical fauna of Bengkulu province, once used as a symbol of the province. Body length 1.40 meters, height 70 centimeters, with weight ranging from 50 until 65 kilograms. Fur bears tend to be short, lustrous, and generally black, brown or blue eyes. In addition to the nose is relatively white but not too nose. Habitat bears are in the area of tropical Southeast Asia. The distribution is located on the island of Borneo, Sumatra, Indochinese, South China, Burma, and Malaya Peninsula. Therefore, this type do not require a hibernation period like the other bears who live in the fourth season. Bears in the past known to spread in almost all the continents of Asia, but it's now becoming increasingly rare due to habitat loss and fragmentation.
Indira, is it dangerous for us?
Yes, but not dangerous.
What is apa sih? Indira, is it dangerous?
Yes.
Human?
Yes.
What sunbears food?
Sunbears. Sunbears are omnivorous animals that eat just about anything in the woods. They eat a variety of fruit and tropical rainforest plants, including the plant species of palm fruit. They also eat insects, honey, birds, and other small animals. If the bears eat fruit, seeds swallow wool so it's not broken. After defecation, seeds in the dirt begin to grow, so the bears have a very important role as a disseminator of drupe large plants like jackfruit, durian, lahung, and many other types. That's enough, Eriska?
Okay.
Oh yeah, these bears have been listed in Appendix of the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species since 1979, which states that they shouldn't be hunted by anyone.
Hey, where do you wanna go, guys?
We will go to crocodile cage.
Okay.
Krokodil dulu ini tadi.
Hi, and now I'm at crocodile cage. Crocodiles, the family Crocodilinae, or true crocodiles, are large
aquatic reptiles that live throughout the tropics in Africa, Asia, the America, and Australia. Crocodylinae, of whose members are considered true crocodiles, is classified as a biological subfamily. A broader sense of the term crocodile, Crocodylinae, that includes Tomistoma. The term crocodiles here applies only to the species within the subfamily of Crocodylinae. The term is sometimes used even more loosely to include an extant member of the order Crocodilia, which includes Tomistoma, the alligators, and caimans family Alligatoridae, the gharials family Gavialidae, and all other living and fossil Crocodylomorpha, although they appear to be similar to the unfinite apes. Crocodiles, alligator, and the gharial belong to separate biological families. The gharial, having a narrow snout, is easier to distinguish, while morphological differences are more difficult to spot in crocodiles and alligators. The most obvious external differences are visible in the head, with crocodiles having narrower and longer heads, with a more V-shaped than a U-shaped snout compared to alligator and caimans. Bye.
Yes, the crocodile is dangerous for humans.
Of course, because crocodile is carnivorous animals feeding mostly on vertebrates such as fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals, sometimes only vertebrates such as mollusks.
Yes, the crocodiles are live in land or live in water.
Sometimes there are lived in land and sometimes there are lived in water. Crocodiles are semi-aquatic and tend to congregate in freshwater habitats such as rivers, lakes, wetlands, and sometimes in brackish water and saltwater.
I know.
Ya Allah, abang kasihin kemana nih? Mesti nyariin ibu. Okay, I'm at deer cage now, and this is a chital, or we also know this is rusa total. Rusa total or spotted deer lives in the forest from India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Spotted deer, also known as chital. These deer are the most general species. The name of chital comes from Bengali chitral, that meaning spotted or speckled. This deer pregnant around 7 and 8 months. How to know the gender of this deer is so easy. This species is sexually dimorphic. Males are larger than the females, and antlers are present only on males. The upper parts are golden to rufous, completely covered in white spots. The abdomen, rump, throat, insides of legs, ears, and tail are all white. The antlers are nearly 1 meter long. Most of deer here comes from Monas. They got moved because in Monas is overpopulation. Now I wanna give them food. I have peanuts. I brought this from home. I give them nuts because I know they like nuts, and also peanuts is one of the most their food. This is safe, not dangerous. But also many people or visitors give them snack, candy, chocolate, and even ice cream. That is dangerous for their health. But so many people still doing that. Udah ya, aduh. Udah, yuk. Udah. Chital like corn, nuts, and variety of leaves. In tropical and subtropical forests, large snakes such as anacondas, crocodiles, alligators, and caimans attack deer in order to get a meal. They have so many enemies, cause that deer have developing good hearing, good eyesight, and ability to run very fast. It takes a skillful predator to catch a deer.
Wildan hayu.
Erika, how old this cheetah can live?
Cheetah can live until 20 years, but so many cheetah that died at the age of 10 years because so many predators eat them. Ayo, come on. Okay, now we are go to the next animal
And the last.
the last.
Hello, now I'm at camel cage. For the first, I changed elephant for I explain, but that cage is far for here, and then I changed my choice. Now I will explain unta or camel. I choose camel because I want go to Mecca and I want see camels in there. A camel is an even-toothed ungulate within the genus Camelus, bearing this distinctive fatty deposits known as humps on its back. The two surviving species of camel are Tetromedary or one-humped camel, which inhabit the Middle East, the Horn of Africa, and the Bactrian or true-humped camel, which inhabit Central Asia. Both species have been domesticated. They provide milk, meat, hair for textiles or goods such as felted pouches, and are working animals with us, ranging from human transport to bearing loads. As is known, camels live in the desert that has a range of air temperatures that kill the majority of living beings. In addition, they are able to not eat or drink for several days. Camel's body can stand up
a temperature of 51 degrees Celsius. Moreover, camels begin to sweat kidney and intestines. They are very efficient in filtering the water. They are extremely viscous form of urine and feces, very dry, so they can be dirty burned when incurred.
Hey Ditya,
Hi Indira.
as I know, a camel's hum is water content. Is it true?
No, it's not true. Many people think of her humps to store water, but it's not. Special camel humps store fat, which at one time can be converted into water with the aid of oxygen respiration result.
Oh, like that.
Yes. Okay, I think that is enough for my explain the camel. Okay, now we will eat together and research the area for picnic. Come on.
Now we wanna have lunch and take rest.
Yay! Hey, this is my lunch. Rice, soy sauce, omelette, nugget, sosis, and chili sauce. How about you, Sinta?
Halo, this is Malas. This is teri kacang, nugget, sosis.
Bahasa Inggrisnya apa? How about you, Indira?
Hello, my dish is nugget, rice, and this
Everything.
like sausage, noodle, teri kacang.
And you, Eriska?
My
Noodle,
yes, this is noodle. You
nugget,
see that?
rice,
Nugget
and sosis.
Yep.
And you, Ditya?
I don't bring lunch, so I eat with Cinta.
So sad.
Hello guys, we have finished.
And we sorry if we have many mistakes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for your attention.
I'm
And-
Indira Nurhaliza.
And I am Sinta Pertiwi.
I'm Eriska Divimaida.
I'm Ditya Resmida.
And I'm Tias Arihandayani.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.